Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Megal Ali Fahmi, and this video is for communication engineering case study, and I will choose FM and AM radio as my topic. As we all know, nowadays there are not a lot of people still using radio. We just use radio or we just listen to radio when we are in our cars. However, I managed to find one from my neighbor, and it's a very old technologies or a radio from 1998, and I choose this topic because I think it is more related to what we have learned in class, which is FM and AM. Besides that, I believe that this is what the foundation that have been used in our technology nowadays. So, without wasting any time, let's go. And with me, I've got a radio, which is a AM and FM radio from Philips. It has a function to read CD up here, and also USB, and it also have the mode for FM, and also AM, which is written here as MW, but it's actually AM. So this is what it's actually look like from inside of the radio. This is the main board of the radio, and there is also other board, small board right here. Also at the bottom of the radio that have a different function. Right here we can see how we can adjust the frequency that we want. The right side is for frequency modulation and the left side is for amplitude modulation. Here it does not return mega or kilo, but as we learned in class, for FM it range from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz, and for AM circuit it is from 530 kilohertz to 1600 kilohertz. And right here, which is we can change the mode, which is the top for CD and radio, CD and USB, and this is for FM, and down here is for AM. And this is where we control the volume of the speaker. And as I say just now, it is not a new technology, so it does not use a lot of IC. We can still see a lot of capacitor down here and also resistor, but it actually got two IC. First one is down here. It is actually a IC601, which is a power distributor IC, and also right below the large heat sink here, we got another one IC, but I'm not sure you can see or not. It is for a thermal electronic IC. That's why it is under the large sink. So this is how radio is working. The frequency will receive at the antenna and will be sent to RF amplifier. Selected frequency will be applied at the mixer. The output of the oscillator will be also applied at the mixer. Input from the mixer and oscillator will form a frequency changer circuit. At the IF amplifier, it have 10.7 MHz for easy operation. And then the FM modulator will discard the RF carrier and leave the information signal. Some will feedback to oscillator as automatic frequency control voltage to ensure stability in case there is temperature changing. And then the voltage increased by voltage amplifier, and the power life level is increased sufficiently to drive the speaker by the power, and then we'll be able to hear the radio. The radio station works by translating sound into electromagnetic wave called radio wave. It is transmitted through the air and then the radio will pick up the wave and change it into sound. At the radio station, the mic will receive input such as voice or any other sound. The mic will change it into electric wave, and then the signal will be sent to the transmitter. At the transmitter, this is where the carrier signal is applied to the information signal. The combined signal will be transmitted using large antenna tower. The radio antenna receives signal from the tower, and the user will be able to adjust the frequency according to their particular station. The wave that have been received will produce an electric current which contains the sound information. The receiver inside the radio will send the sound signal to the speaker. And lastly, we can listen to the radio. In conclusion, I've learned a lot of things during making this video, and I think it is very beneficial for me, and I hope it is beneficial for those who watch this video too. That's all from me. Thank you.